So, I thought I'd make a little short video review on my Stihl MS-250 on the camera for the first time. I know I done a review on that thing about a couple days ago on my iPhone before I deleted my YouTube app. But it sucks to be overfilling your storage on your iPhone, but it is what it is. But you gotta do what you gotta do is live on for it. But this is a 2019 Stihl MS-250 Wood Boss. It is now a 2-in-1 chainsaw. It does run a 20-inch bar and an 18-inch bar. I'm going to plan on finding me a Stihl 025 that'll run an 18-inch bar. And that one will run as a 20-inch chainsaw. 45cc. I like it. Way a lot better than MS-310 Farm Boss. There are some good ones that replaced them, which is the MS-290 and the no, not MS-290. I think it's a MS-291, including the MS-271 and Stihl FS MS-311 that replaced the MS-310. But they run way a lot better. But this thing always starts real easy. I turned idle up some because I'm afraid it was going to die. I was afraid it was going to die on me. It is a very good lightweight chainsaw. Very lightweight and not heavy. It's a pretty good old machine. 6 years old, just like my Husky 455 Rancher. But I really love that thing. I really love this thing. I really do. You can't even beat that because they always fire up first pull. I did adjust the low for a little bit to give it a little bit more idle. Crud. Drop a little bit of manual on the floor, but hold on. That's why I like it. The MS250 Wood Boss is a lot better. And I like that thing too with a decompression valve on it. I love MS291s and 026 Wood Boss. Well, thank y'all for watching.